Hey everyone, happy Tuesday. I picked this up off of eBay, and it was kind of a gamble because there was a few weighted things in here, but after looking through the listing and picking up silver for quite a bit now, I thought I would go for it. So I picked up all the silver here for $213 and then $10 to ship, and then unfortunately when you buy through eBay you pay tax. So that came out to almost $22, 21.74. So it wasn't cheap to get this. It was all in almost $245. And I thought when I purchased it, I guessed it was going to come in at around 180 grams or so. And yeah, so I took it apart, and let's go ahead and get this weighed. Well, let's walk through it really quick. So we got two of these little dishes here. Took a guess on these at about 15 to 20 grams a piece, so we can weigh those out and see what those came in. These were weighted. I pulled the bottoms off, and they are in this little tray right here. So there's four bottoms, and then two bottoms, and then part of this candle holder, I guess. I don't know. Ripped that apart. There was a little bell part on the bottom, and then there was some stuff there, some cement in the bottom. So it was those items, and then this big one here. And these interesting little sugar cube tong things, which I looked up, and they sell for about $30 on eBay. That's about 13 to 15, I'm guessing, grams of sterling. So if I can get them for more than melt, that's definitely a deal. Okay, so yeah, let's go ahead and get this stuff all weighed out, give you an idea of what each thing weighs. And then I did want to call this guy out. I did test everything, and I did want to call this guy out as well right here, this blue guy. All right, I did want to show you guys this really quick. It was kind of sitting back in the corner there. So I did design and 3D print this. It holds two 2-inch by 4-inch stones and 8 bottles of testing acid, whether it's for silver, whether it's for 10K, you've got all kinds of stuff. What is this, 22, platinum. So yeah, you guys are interested in this stuff. I actually have them on my website, elemental47.com. You can go ahead and purchase them off there. I don't have the STL files put up there, but might put those up there for free for people that are able to 3D print. They can just run with it. But yeah, these are pretty cool. I got other little things on there too as well, so definitely check it out and see what's going on there. So let's get everything weighed out, and we'll see what the final result is. All right, let's go item by item here. Let's start with the sugar tongs first. That comes out to about 13.5 grams, so it's pretty close on that one. These two, I think I would probably put them about 8 to 10 ounces each. 8 to 10 grams each. These are the salt and pepper shakers. So let's go ahead and get those on there. Okay, so I was a little off on that one, so which is good. Rather be higher than lower. So about 32.28. This guy, yeah, I was way off on that one too. Things look a lot bigger in the pictures on eBay than they actually do when they show up in real life, and then when you get them and they actually weigh more than you think they do, that's a nice surprise. So I did test this. Like I said, I tested everything, and came out to, what was that, 54.22? So way over what I thought it was going to be. This little guy here, again, thought it was smaller on the picture than it did on, or thought it was smaller than it was going to be, and it came back at 37.5 grams, so pretty nice score there. This little dish thing, probably about 12 to 15. Wow, okay. So yeah, after picking it up, it's a lot heavier, but that came out to 42.15. And yeah, you can see everything is labeled here. Sterling, let's see if I can get that to zoom in. Hopefully you can see that. It's hard to get it to focus, but yep, marked sterling. Let's kind of throw all these little garbage pieces in here. Yeah, and I guess these would have made the salt and pepper shakers way more. What do we got there? 14.8786. And then this last one here. This one was really hard to see, the sterling mark. It's actually inside the bowl, not on the bottom. It's a little suspect at first, but tested just fine. So, and that one's 55.95. So, yeah, pretty good score. I'm going to go ahead and throw the total weight on the bottom of the screen. Well, let's see if we can get everything on here really quick, and then we can figure out what the weight is. Let's throw these on the side. Throw all these little pieces I tore off, and this little guy here, the thing that looks like a trumpet. Yeah, it's probably a candle holder. Throw that on there, and then these two salt and pepper shakers. Take the lids off, throw those in there for a grand total of 250.58 grams. So it's about 70 grams more than I thought it was going to be. Definitely took a gamble on this because a lot of these items, like I mentioned before, are a lot smaller than they look, or a lot bigger than they look, and then you get them and this thing is like the size of a thimble. So yeah, I think it was a pretty good score here. I'll go ahead and put some numbers as far as like the math and what everything worked out to be as well. And yeah, just wanted to kind of share that with you guys. I think everybody probably saw the fume hood video that came out, and I've got 600 grams. Well, it was sterling, so 92.5% of that. So about what, 645 grams of silver in there. But yeah, I'll just want to show this one off. I don't buy on eBay too often, but when I do, I have to really underbuy price-wise, and actually this one worked out pretty well. So hopefully this gives you guys an idea of what some of these things weigh, and you can go and find these scores on eBay yourself. But if anybody wants a video of me kind of looking through eBay and analyzing items, drop it in the comments. Be happy to do that because I feel like I do pretty well overall, but I do strike out here and there. But appreciate it. Again, check out the website, elemental47.com. Got some stickers up there. We've got some 3D printed items. We've got some tools that I'll probably do a video about that'll help you with your, well, silver hunting, silver refining, everything silver related. So drop a comment. Love to hear it. And we'll talk soon.